Hi everyone, welcome back to This Week in Pre-Health. As always, I'm your Pre-Health Pathways Advisor, Dr. J. If you haven't already had a chance to come by and chat with me this summer, now is a good time. I have lots of stuff that I'm doing that requires a lot of data, so it would be fun to see some actual human beings. So feel free to drop by if you've got questions or if you're looking for opportunities for any kinds of things like internships or research opportunities right now. Also, if you are working on applying to professional programs and you need any help with navigating that application process or getting ready for any part of that process, such as reviewing your personal statement, remember that I'm here to be able to help you with that as well if you need the help. So be sure to reach out if you have any questions. There are a couple of different things going on this week. There's a lot that's happening on Thursday. Thursday's a big day for us this week. So as you know, it is Tuesday right now, so I was off yesterday in observance of Juneteenth. Yay, it's a federal holiday now. So there's a little bit of information about that if you're curious in the weekly email. Let's see. There are a couple of different things that VCOM is doing throughout this week, some different sessions, and some of those are specific to VCOM, but some of them are just generally helpful types of things like what should you put on a med school application. So I would encourage you, if you are following a pre-med pathway, to check out some of those different webinars this week. On Thursday, we do have the big American Association of Medical Colleges virtual fair. So again, if you're interested in medicine, that is a big thing for you to attend this week. Also on Thursday, we've got a couple of cool things going on for those of you interested in dentistry. The ADEA is hosting a webinar for looking at some complex cases that'll be really cool. And we also have Dr. Ed Vigna, who is speaking to our Fevers program on Thursday. We're going to be doing an informational interview with him and learning a little bit more about the field of dentistry and his career path and trajectory within that field. And if you are interested in dentistry but you're not in the Fevers program, you can still attend this informational interview and we would love to have you. So please let me know and I'll send you a Zoom invitation so that you can join us for that program. And maybe I'll pressure you a little bit to join the Fevers program if you haven't already, but I promise not to be too pushy. And if you are in the Fevers program, or even if you're not, and you're interested in chatting with Dr. Vigna, but you're not sure that dentistry is the right path for you, that's okay. You can still learn a lot about how dentists work with other kinds of medical professionals and other areas of healthcare just by having these conversations. So remember that healthcare is a team sport and we all work together. So be sure to mark your calendars to check that out. Also on Friday, we've got Grand Rounds happening again. You can still join this remotely through WebEx. And this week's topic is going to be about managing aortic dissections. And we're not talking about cutting the aorta out, we're talking about blood pressure slicing the aorta in parts because of problems with the integrity of the vessel walls. So it will be a really cool talk. You should check it out. And it's somebody who is a local healthcare professional talking about how they manage these kinds of things in a surgical context. So be sure to check that out. And that's pretty much all I have for you this week. I hope you're having a fun summer, and we will see you next time. Bye!